This is St Albans Signal Box garden railway. We have 3 engines on our railway. We have James, the red engine. We have Percy, the green engine. And of course we have Thomas, the tank engine. They all work very hard on our open days, running lots and lots of trains. James often runs the express train. Sometimes he has 3 coaches and he goes very fast and sounds his horn all the time to make sure that people aren't in the way. Poor Percy, he runs the goods trains, and here you see a goods train going past with Percy and the coal wagons. Unfortunately, they are the troublesome trucks, and Percy has terrible problems with the troublesome trucks. Thomas sometimes runs the troublesome trucks as well. Here you see Thomas coming, and he's got 2 troublesome trucks, so he's delivering coal somewhere. And now we see Thomas and Percy. This is Percy. I think he's going through the tunnel. The tunnel's very scary. Percy doesn't like going through the tunnel. I think he's delivered his coal because he doesn't have his coal wagon anymore. The sun is shining on the garden railway today. Here is James, and he's got 3 coaches. He's running the express. And there's the fat controller who runs the railway and looks after all the trains. The platform is very busy. James is off on his run. There he goes with his 3 coaches. And there's Percy again with another coal wagon. Poor Percy's working very hard. And I think we've got Thomas now as well. Thomas with 2 coaches. There he is. There's Thomas. Over the bridge. Oh, it's James, not Thomas, with his express train. I think James likes going through the tunnel. He goes through very fast. There's Thomas. Thomas has got a petrol tanker as well as the troublesome trucks. He must be delivering coal and petrol. Oh, it's not Thomas, it's Percy. Percy's working very hard today. There's Thomas, and he's got Annie and Clarabelle. Into the tunnel. Thomas doesn't mind the tunnel, he's a big brave engine. He's going very fast, isn't he? I don't think he'll have time to stop at the station today. Over the crossover and into the station. All the people are still on the station. Percy's not going to stop because he's got the coal again. And here comes Thomas. Is Thomas going to stop? No, he's not. Thomas has gone right past the station. I hope the fat controller knows that, otherwise he'll get into trouble, won't he? Here he comes with Annie and Clarabelle. They're all working very hard today. I hope one day soon you'll be able to come and see them, because they miss all their friends who come out on Sunday afternoons to see them. Bye.